Project Vayner, episode 20. Actually, let's find a better location. Shoof! Project Vayner, episode 20, and we're in Cambridge, UK. Just sitting here in a park, having a snack, and I'm with my sister. How are you?
I'm good, thanks. How are you?
I'm fine, and it's very warm today.
It's really nice weather today.
I think it's like 21 degrees or something.
Yeah, something like that. And sunny, a little bit cloudy, but
yeah,
it's okay. You don't need a jacket today.
No, I took the jacket, but I don't really need it. But we're going to do some shopping.
Yes.
Today and just relax. Renovation. I'm sitting at my sister's place, where my sister and her family lives here in Cambridge, UK. Oops. And I did what I have done a couple of times before. I filmed something for about 10-12 minutes, just to notice afterwards that I was filming everything in slow motion, which means I don't have any audio to it. So yeah, I was unboxing all the things that my sister has ordered for me on Amazon, since we don't have Amazon in Sweden. So she ordered it here to England, and then when I got here, I got the packages. So yeah, that's what you're going to see now without sound. So I just put some music behind it, and you will see the things that I have ordered. Probably in the next episode you will see when I'm back in Sweden and when I'm using these things, and I can talk a little bit more about them and how I'm going to use them and why I ordered them and yeah. So I'll see you in episode 21 next Sunday. Bye from England.